new toy and I'm as happy as a kid in a toy store. Hulk smash! Shut up, Hulk. Hulk smash, puny human. Ow! Damn it, Hulk! Hulk smash! Welcome back, boys and girls, to another edition of Joe Know Stuff TV. In today's episode, we're all excited because we got a new toy. What is it? A new Spider-Man? A new Ninja Turtle? No, it is in this box, and we're going to find out what it is right now. Alright, we are ready to see what's in the box. What is it? What could it be? It's a new drone. Yay! It's about time I got a new drone. I've been flying the Mavic Pro Drone for the last 3 years. I have not upgraded to the Mavic 2 because I'm just one of those that won't buy every generation of a product. I tend to wait and skip a generation. But because the Mavic Pro 2 drone is not out yet and not expected to be out for quite a while, even though it was supposed to be out in January of 2020 and it wasn't, I decided to go ahead and purchase this little drone with all the good reviews that I see it gets. So let's see what's in the box. First, slice these little slides right open. Very tight fit. It should be in the bag that it comes with, and it is. That's a tight fit for that bag. Okay, let's see what's in here. Now, the Fly More combo has a lot of stuff in it. It's got filters, it's got extra propellers, of course it's got instructions. There's something else in here. I think this is the filters. Let's go to this side. Mavic or DJI drones are the best drones out there. They own the market, quite literally. And I love DJI products. Alright, let's look at this drone. My first time looking at one. That is tiny. Tiny, tiny. Got a lot of stickers on it. We'll have to take those off. And the Fly More combo comes with, of course, a remote. The remote is new this year. And some people like it, some people don't. I think I'm going to like it. I'm just that kind of guy that accepts things real easily. Chargers, batteries, and the remote. And now, I don't use these bags. Why? I just don't feel they're safe. I tend to use more the hard case bags because I take my drone. Got your extra cables. Don't forget you've got a pouch here where it's got extra cables. Always check your bags, especially if you're not going to use them. I don't tend to use these type bags. You've got some foam to hold your drone in place so it doesn't get the gimbal all scratched up. Okay, the remote is in this bag. And it's a new ergonomical remote. Hold your phone. And see, I like that. Oh, that feels good. That's got a good rubbery grip on it. Now, the sticks are inside the drone like that. You just plug them in. It comes with extra sticks, and then the phone goes right in here. It comes with a lightning cable already attached, but you can easily take this out and change it to an Android phone or whatever. Just has a USB-C, I think it's called. Don't quote me on that. Okay, I know it comes with filters, which I'd say that's what this is. Yeah, 3 little filters. I can't read them because I don't have my glasses on, but I'll get to those in a minute. That seems to be a charger. That's a hub charger to charge all your batteries, which is the first thing we're going to do here, is charge the batteries. And then I'm going to go over some controls with you, and we're going to take it out for the first flight. Now, when you get your drone, you're going to have to take all these stickers off. Sticker on top. Just peels right off. Sticker on the sides. They're labeled A, B, you know, that kind of thing. We're going to have to put the propellers on it. And there's a certain way to do the propellers on the Mavic Air 2. Now, let's see, the first thing we do, squeeze these out. You always unfold it with the front legs and then the back legs. And then we take these little propeller or motor protectors off. Now let's find our propellers, which should be right here. Now there is a black propeller and a silver propeller, and you have to get them on right. If you don't, your drone will flip over, and that's not a good thing for a very expensive drone. Now this is not an expensive drone in comparison to some of the Pro models. This one was $1,050 for the for the Flymore combo, and trust me, that's a good price for a drone of this quality. Naturally, you can get a drone for 50 to 80 bucks, but you're just not going to have a good time with it. You really aren't. Now, this is a silver one. It's got a silver ring on it, so it goes on the silver. Hold your motor, and if it's like anything like the Mavic Pro, goes down and turns just a little bit. And you want to make sure it's on there real good. Okay, once again, silver goes to silver, black goes to black. It's as simple as that. Okay, now that we got the propellers on there, I have purchased some other things to go with this Mavic Air 2. When I get into a project, I go overboard. I am a Taurus. I make good money and I spend it. So I bought some other things. What did I buy? I bought a light for the top of my drone for night flying. It's by Ulanzi, and it's just simply a light that airplanes can see your drone. You literally stick it to the top of your drone and it lights up. It helps airplanes see your drone. I've also got a set of filters here from Freewheel, which are all the rage online. I got the Bright Day kit. It was about $69. Okay, Freewheel filters. Now DJI comes with filters, but according to the reviews, they're not the greatest quality. They're more or less to get you started in filters. So I recommend buying a more professional set. And I'll go over these and how to use them too. Now I also got a thing that can hold a tablet. This won't hold a tablet. You can get a little extension that goes on here that sort of loops out. I didn't get that. I got this, and that literally slides in and holds a tablet. I like running my drone with a tablet because I get a bigger screen. I get to see more, and it makes for a more enjoyable flight. Alright. This literally slides. Let's see, how would this work? This literally slides. That's going to have to come up somehow. That is tight. That is real tight, which is good. Now this would slide with your cord. Just put it in like that and just pull it out. And that is really tight, which is a good thing. Now that's got the slide on there, so we got to unscrew this. And put that on there. This will literally pop on there, and then you screw it down to make it tight. And you've got a tablet holder. This one is by PGY Tech, which is a very popular drone accessory. Okay, it should go this way then. And then I'm wondering, yeah, there we go. Now it'll hold the tablet. Okay, tablet holder. I got an SD card. You always need an SD card. And I land my drone. I don't use a target or a bullseye or a landing pad. I tend to use extensions, which this is by PGY Tech, specifically for the Mavic Air 2. Wonderful little drone, and I'm sure they go on like that. You want to get these on real good because you don't want to lose them mid-flight. These are a little different than the ones I have for my Mavic Pro. These are more rubbery, which I like. Okay, put them on the right direction. Never touch your motor too much or your blades. You don't want to bend them or anything. Now these evidently snap on the back legs. Let's see, where would it snap on at? I guess you pull them up a little bit to where it fits snug. Just pop them in place and then pull them up. So you pop them in place at this position and then pull them up a little bit. And then what that does is that gives you your gimbal's not getting in the grass or the sticks or anything that you fly in. Okay, last accessory is in this box. This was $109, and usually I don't pay that much for these things. But because I go whitewater rafting, sometimes I fly my drone to follow me in the raft, I've got to have a waterproof bag, and I bought this big, bright, obnoxious orange one. This is high quality. I wonder it was $100. Okay, let's see if we can pull that down. So to do this, this is a Nanook. Push this down and then pull these out and pull them back. And then boom, you've got a beautiful bag for your drone with a lifetime warranty. Yay! Okay, that's going to do the accessories for my drone. Let's get into some instructions and how to do it. First thing I got to do is charge the batteries and register the drone. Always register your drone. Right, Hulk? Hulk smash!